What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming at you guys with a brand new video. And today I am installing a brand new short shifter that I'm gonna go pick up right now from Art of Attack, which is about an hour out. If you guys read the title, which obviously most of you guys have, you guys already know which one I'm installing. I'm gonna explain why I got this one when I get there and kind of, you know, everything when I start installing it. So yeah, we got about an hour drive ahead of us. So let's just go pick it up. And by the way, I hope the audio sounds good. I hope it's not all messed up. I did get a new microphone. I'm still kind of testing things out, so hopefully everything sounds good. I mean, I don't know if it's clipping. It says that it's clipping, so I mean, hopefully it's something that I can fix in post, or hopefully it's not too bad. But I'll see you guys all when I get there. God, it's hot out here. Huge shout out to Art of Attack for hooking it up with the hybrid racing short shifter. Let me see if I can get you guys that. Jeez. It is in the black just because that's the only one I have at the time, and I really want to get a short shifter on here because though stock is nice, I want to get something a little bit shorter, so I just wanted to get hybrid. I know a lot of people are going to hate me because a lot of people go acuity, and I just wanted to get hybrid. There's a story behind it. You know, I've been talking to a lot of people, and people that use this actually really like it over acuity, so I just wanted to get the best bang for my buck. So I feel like this might be the way to go. But now let's go home and unbox it. Alright, finally back home. Here with Nancy T fam.
Hello. Bye. Are you actually recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why would I not record this? It says to disconnect the battery, but I don't think we need to do all that. Look at you, trying to go ham already, huh? You watch videos on it, huh?
It is the inside.
No.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
I can't. Well, you do
Here's the
want
thinner
us
one.
to show me. We'll do that side. Let's see.
Rule number 1. Oh, you're not even recording, are you?
To be a boss ass bitch.
You have to take off the interior pieces. So we gotta take off this, everything off. Am I a YouTuber? Oh my God. If you moan, it helps a little bit. See? Looks like that. Oh yeah, it is. You kind of know. You're kind of smart. Do you have a thingamajig?
I think no.
Can't do it with my hands. You do have the tools, I see.
Go find them. Look how cute it is. Telling him.
Oh, that will work, yeah.
I know, it's called a monkey wrench. God damn. Ding dong.
I feel like I'm too dark for this.
To work outside? Right, tiny lefty Lucy.
Cool.
Quick time. Jesus Christ.
That's kind of what he did. Come on, you little shit.
What do you call me?
Cool, we're done.
Okay.
It's fucking hot.
You guys like the new short shifter?
Oh.
That looks like it's gonna snap. Oh, there you go.
You know, just easy things.
Brandon things.
Slam thick with your cute ass.
You scared me. You're freaking crackhead.
Come on, you little bitch. There it goes. See, if you moan, trust me guys, everything becomes a lot easier when you moan. Watch this shit. See? So life's a lot easier. So whenever you guys are installing shit and you're having some trouble, just give it a little moan. Are you even looking at it? Is it recording me? Feels like it's not even centered.
It's not. I didn't know how to do this. You too.
Your job is to look here, make sure I'm in the middle.
Yeah, but you're too dark. I can't even see you.
Close the door then. It's gonna be hot though. Even darker, huh?
Yeah.
You see?
You darkness. I'm not darkness. What are you doing now, sir?
Removing some screws.
Why is it built like that?
Yeah, whoever screwdriver this is, I don't know why it's built like that.
It's so cute.
It's so hot.
You're so hot.
After you two remove. After you see, you can cut it out with the power of editing. Once you remove the two screws, you just want to lift up here. You want to put your little pry tool in there, just leave a little moan. You just want to lift up.
Just want to lift up. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. There's. For the ears.
See a little moan there? Tell you, it works every time, brother. Oh shit, how do I move this out of there?
Yee.
What's your fucking mouth, sir? Oh, fuck is wrong with you? There's kids on this neighborhood. Are you okay, snorting? Snorter? Okay, I think I gotta take this off. Look at that. Just want to get a little shift collar out of there, you know what I'm saying? Then you just want to yeet it, and then there is some things you just want to remove. You just want to push the blue little tab in to your little fingernails. This one's white, and this one down here. Just like that, brother. I can go clean this out now. Unit, or your weather climate control. Put your little fucking thingy here and just yeet that bitch off. Hell yeah, brother. Then you gotta take your two little tabs off on the back.
Using me.
In a good way.
How? This way?
Gotta find the little pull tabs.
That's not a good angle. Like, I don't know how to get over there.
We don't record everything. So once you get this off, there's two screws here, and then you want to move this one. And then you want to put your gear shifter to an even gear, so I'll put 2. Then this shit all just come right off. Yop. Yeah. And boom, just like that, your center piece is out, which I gotta wash too. So if you don't have a hook like we do, you just grab the two things by the titties and you just yeet it out of there. What's so funny with you? I'm making a YouTube video and you're joking. Are you serious?
Is my life a joke to you? Hey, if you can just... What the heck? Register?
You got that off. And the stuff that... No. That's for sure not what you do next. Alright, so once you get everything out of there, which I'm not going to put what she just filmed.
What?
You just try to do that with a flathead?
I thought it would fit. I did most of the work here.
Oh, really now? You're doing all the easy stuff.
I will put everything back to what... I don't know what I'm saying.
Just want to remove this little bitch back here, you know what I'm saying? Just want to remove that out of there. And pretty much this whole thing should just come off. So we'll scoot both the chairs back. All we gotta do is lift, pull
I
against.
think you have to do those screws. You have to do those screws.
How much you want to bet?
Okay, try to take it out. How much you want to bet? Oh, yeet.
Next.
Next. Yee, brother.
Hey, brother.
Woo!
Alright, so now that you got your whole seat piece out, pretty much all we gotta do is just take the shift boot off.
Shift boot, bro.
I mean, shifter.
I'm surprised I knew what a shift boot was.
Once you pretty much get that off, you just want to take these two out, and that should be pretty much it. We gotta take these off still.
I don't know why he thought I don't know why he thought I would know what an 8 mil is.
I thought you really did.
Oh, okay. I do.
Look at that. Alright, so I finally got this off and this off. Don't ask me what they're for. I just took them off.
I'm helping. That is bright.
It is bright. So now pretty much we just got to take all the tabs off and we just get her out of here, the stock one. Look at this plastic. That was metal. Finally get the stock one off because of her. Now it's time for the hybrid racing one to go on. I think I should have got the bushings.
What?
I don't know, we'll see.
Not nice of it. Hold on, we'll play until you record a good throw.
Huh? Me or you? Set! Hey! Damn, they tightened this shit up.
Come here.
Are you okay?
You gonna test drive it?
Yep. I got all the lights on. Oh wait, no, you know what? We probably shouldn't drive. How am I gonna flick the brake on?
You don't need the brakes.
But how do I turn the e-brake on?
Off, maybe.
Hold on to your sticker. Hold on to your sticker. It's kind of hard to get it in reverse.
It looks so high. It looks EP3. What?
My rattly
Low
ass
life. Race car things.
I'm not keeping it like this.
Why? Where am I gonna put my boba?
Oh, there goes the napkin. Oh shit! It's hella short. Sorry. It's stupid short.
You're super short.
Why you got? You don't want to talk, you midget. Oh, that's like shit. It's really short. I need to change that fucking. I need to tighten up that exhaust or just get the new one already.
How does it feel?
They're good. I'm probably gonna keep it like this for a few days. No dead ass, no cap. I need to tighten that exhaust.
Alright, so now we're gonna take out the back seats and then throw on the roll cage, and then we should be done for the day.
Alright, so obviously this is the end of the video. I do kind of want to go over a little bit of stuff that I've noticed when installing. I know I didn't put a lot in there. The shifter cable, which is this one, the big one, the one that's in the middle, will get pushed into the firewall, into the frame, or the chassis of the car. So just be aware of that. You will push it in. You will have to push it in because that is something you need to do. So just be careful when doing that. Also, when you take these off of the OEM shifter, be careful when you take them off because one, you can break the little tabs on them like I did, so it doesn't lock in place anymore. But I don't think that's going anywhere. I think I mentioned that, but just to give you guys a heads up, that will break easily because there's like little tabs. So if you do not be careful with it, you will break them both like I did. Because I did break them both. I broke this one and this one over here. So just be careful when you're doing that. Also, you know, when putting some of this stuff back in, just also be careful. Broke that one. Probably mainly me. But yeah, just pretty much just keeping it like this for now. So make sure everything's the way I want it, and then I'll put everything back. If you guys have any questions, just let me know down below, and I will do my best to answer them. I know I'm a little bit of a mess. I just woke up. I had to go to Harbor Freight real quick. But if you guys just have any questions, just let me know down below. I will answer all questions I can. You know, just hope you guys enjoy it. I did, look at my ship now. It's not even on there, right? I'm going to be changing this out too. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, any questions, just comment down below. You know, I will be doing a review against this and the Acuity. My personal opinion on everything, because I don't think that there's one out yet. So I just want to go and do that for you guys, so you guys know which one to get. But obviously, I went with hybrid, so we'll be doing that soon. Just be patient on that. We'll find an SI with Acuity on it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.